Sure. See you in a bit.
Water main breaks can happen for a variety of reasons. Changes in weather, shifting soil, unauthorized fire hydrant usage, corrosion, and more can cause an underground water main to spring a leak. No matter the cause, service interruptions are never convenient. But when emergencies occur, we are there. Our team works quickly behind the scenes to mark underground utilities, safely secure work sites, and mobilize all necessary equipment for a prompt, safe, reliable repair. Once our team consults maps of underground pipes and valves, we shut the appropriate valves to turn the water off to the area where the break occurred and complete a safe repair. Adverse weather, ground and road conditions, as well as other unforeseen factors, can play a role in the time it takes to complete a water main repair, and we appreciate our employees who work around the clock in difficult and sometimes dangerous conditions to keep the water flowing for our customers. Once the water main is repaired, we turn the valves back on, flush the line, collect a water sample, and deliver it to our lab for testing. Regulations from the West Virginia Bureau for Public Health require us to issue precautionary boil water advisories following some water main breaks, which we issue and then lift once testing confirms that water quality was not compromised. We regret the inconvenience a water main break can cause, but we appreciate the patience and understanding of our customers while we safely address the issue. Our main priority is the safety of our employees and our customers, and it's our honor to keep your life flowing.